as we talk about plastic kits,
Yes.
we just received an interesting delivery of a brand called Asuka.
Asuka.
So, should we have a look?
We should.
Let's have a look.
So Asuka is a Japanese brand. They have a quite an interest in Shermans, and so here you go, the whole range of different Shermans. Wow, and some accessories. So how about we just pop up some of these. Now you probably don't know, but Shermans, there wasn't just one type of Sherman. There were lots of different variations. So there were the American ones, and then there were different British type ones, and then they changed as they went throughout the war as well. So this particular one here, that's the Firefly. Whoops, almost lost it. So that's a British type Sherman. So what they did was they mounted a 17-pound British gun onto it, and it actually had the firepower to defeat some of the German tanks. And that's something that the Allies lacked for a while. Suitable weaponry to actually fight. Yeah. So this particular one is the Jumbo, I think. Is that the Jumbo? No, maybe not. That's the M4A3. So this one was quite common throughout the middle of the war. We've got another Sherman Mark III, British version. Okay, with a smaller gun. So all these have slight variations in the hull and also the turret. Yeah. Some had cast turrets, other ones had boarded turrets. We've got another Firefly here. So Fireflies being the British variant. And these were quite reliable tanks. And the troops were very happy when they saw Fireflies coming because they knew that it was going to be effective against the enemy. And then the very latest release is this one. Okay, so this one was released as the anniversary for Battle of the Bulge, so in the Ardennes. And this one actually comes complete with Tamiya figures.
Right, I can see that, yeah.
Yeah. So very nice. So there's a whole heap of different Shermans, whatever type you like. And some people only build Shermans.
Looks like this one here also does come with extra crates.
It does.
And extra parts. So
it does. So
let me see if I jump on this camera so you guys can have a look from that side.
Yeah.
This chair here in particular have this one's got some crates up here.
Yep.
And some I think sleeping bags and helmets.
Yeah.
And kind of luggage type.
Yeah. So these are really nice ones. These are made by Value Gear.
Yep.
So they're included.
And in this case here we have, I guess, some armaments really and some photo etch parts by the look of it.
Yes.
Up here.
And then the cupola there is actually molded in clear so that you can just mask off the clear bits and you get the periscope look.
Wow.
Yeah, very nice. And then finally, they've got some really nice machine gun accessories. Now you probably wouldn't. Just little packets like so. A bit hard to see from that sort of distance, and probably a bit hard to show you here as well.
Yeah.
But these are 50 caliber machine guns and 30 caliber machine guns, and they're molded so that you can lay them out. They look like they're dismantled. So you actually got the barrels separately, and they've got the full length barrel, and they slide into the main body of the machine gun, so that it really feels like you're building the real thing. So it's super detailed, very crisp. Quite often people would buy these to supplement a different kit. So you've also got ammo boxes. Now we've got 3 of them here. So we've got 2 different types of 50 cal. The main difference is the gun's the same, but it's got different mounts. And then we've also got the 30 cal as well. So these are quite oftenly used on tanks, but it's also got the stands for infantry use. So yeah, good accessories there.
Very nice pack. So good. It's good to sort of see some plastic kits. So that's a good delivery, something new, something we haven't had for a long time.
Yeah,
good selection of Sherman. So if you have a project, you can decide exactly which Sherman you want to build.
That's right. So whenever we get a Asuka in, it always sells out very quickly.
Absolutely.
So